enti John Mahama se on sesanda asemo na yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, the incoming president of the Republic of Ghana, 7th January 2029. Inshallah, when we Dr. Bawumia, our by president no 2015 or can be yewura Bawumia or can be 2015. Now, I never person inside most video non chiro. Today, me person most video non chiro. I'm finding my open video. Not translate over be your. Now fire comparison of what is happening today. Now catch them. Say bibi asisawo. Say assembly or Dr. Bawumia kaya. Say assembly or dear Dr. Bawumia kaya. We believe say ne. And now I know Kasa 2026. And the same. Now I can comment session. Now I know what you come. History repeats itself, but Ghanaians don't want to hear. John Mahama were born to the point to say, I'm free. Or my na yet Timono. I go say NDC for no. Omola adwene a yede tena se efa adwene edibu o man enti ye ka initiatives yen sha ade bi ase ne yempaje o man ne nkonani omo ni bio de omo yo nyina ne se omo ba de ebinum ayo ato ho a bra ba yo besa so di batem no eno no beta fruta fru ho ana omko eno na obi kan se bi ewo another platform so say o yam people ni a o communicator Osibra na yewo 2024 campaign no. So mo kwatra a TV so na NDC fo na keka nsem kese na hwan na omo wie show no na omo si forma. Asi almost every NDC communicator, they no mo kan kire MPP communicators na say mo DP eye mo nkoma yenso yemra medibi. Which tells you directly say dinti ana omo pekwanya baba mu no. And yet because they wanted to come and change something, do something good for your life or do something better for the society. Just because they need money. They want a way that they can enrich themselves. More. Because I buy more. Imagine say Ghana, I don't know our annual generated income. I buy managing. Now buy managing is $2 billion, $3 billion, $4 billion. I know myself. So yeah, I buy paying for. Now we are from 40% this for just one term, 4 years in government. Utimiye rich emani, especially on more ministerial positions. So their intention all was how to come in and rob Ghanaians. Yet konen kobo microphone krono because ye can't muntie. Bawumia Kenyans asem no muntie. Nanado Kenyans asem no muntie. Entiam konen kobo won krono. That is the intention on which these guys came in power. And that is what is going on. In fact, video we present in year pa video with 215 and a year about Bawumia eka the same way. Na tie na fa compare ne the ekoso e wo Ghana by mutie.
What Dr. Bawumia said while he was in the Upper West region.
Look at what is happening in Ghana today, and you will have no conclusion but the fact that this NDC government is the most incompetent, uncaring, and corrupt government this country has ever seen. Why do I say so? Last night, I received the news, as all of you have received, that upon all the troubles we are going through and trying to survive this phenomenon that they have inflicted upon us for the last 3 years, they have decided to increase the price of fuel by 9%. How uncaring can you be? This is the government that said, I care for you. Where is the care? Don't you have any empathy for the suffering of our people? You have to increase in this period where people are trying to buy diesel, to run generators, businesses and individuals. This is your thank you to them, to increase further the price of petrol and diesel and other fuels. And this is why we are saying this is the most uncaring government. If you are a teacher today, if you've been employed even for 2 years, after working for 2 years, they will pay you 3 months' salary. Isn't that the case? Is that caring? If you are a teacher trainee today, they've cancelled your allowance. Isn't that the case? And if they bring money for SADC, for the development of the North, they steal it. The NHIS is collapsing. Cash and carry is back. People are rejecting the NHIS cards. Today, pensioners cannot survive on the pensions. And therefore, my brothers and sisters, this is why we say we owe it a duty to the people of Ghana, to the people of the Upper West Region. We owe it a duty to all get up and work hard between now and the election in 2016 to change this government. It is time for change.
Yes, Abusiamfwe. And some way I would tin or wasumi. And man in your say be a year. And Dr. Bawumia can't ask him or canoe. Ne mame, aye. Nana acquire a full papa, the mamma, and more papa, I want to say. When you say Uncle Ponado, here. Abusiam, as some heard about me, I can't. Or can 2015 more? San Semna, you would about me, I can in 2015 one. And then the young men who ya, men a cassay. Assembly or what you would about me, I can't ya and end so ever mine one. After how many years? 2015 to 2025. I had 10 years. After 11 good years. Ankasabiu, Akura Mpona no 2015 more, maybe 2014. And I'm in it now. I attend to your pet. A Akura Mpona, and Kawina could do Pensobi. And so never mind Ghana. Nana do bayo timi paja SSA near mama sa programs and na wo ho nyina. Yes, they forgone, you tremble ho. Ghana for koto abako fire papa Samba being the second coming of the John Fu. Ye kofa ne ba ya papa ya san atwe akoye 11 years back and I was saying atwe de akọ ama ene video wa ye 2015 say me watch them na man kan jero say 2015 a video wa obeka say enye no kore ade diabo ben ena nyankopon e de abo Ghana fo e na ma no sunti eduru aba to so a na ya dan epinum adane moa na mo kwa kudi nkwasiafo sangwasefo achi 2015 and okre teacher trainees and nursing training for na yempia wonka and na me no ka say the same thing allowances no yenko teacher training and nursing training omonsa nko mo allowances and na me no ka say a teacher for 2016 no 2015 or 2026 a teacher for salaries enko allowances enko. And they do so back for nation. In China, FM for no musu, said to son of those. All these problems, we didn't have them. Sandia Mafu Wenano, during another Bressono, we never and ever experienced them. You experience a Korana, you experience in such a normal way. In a sense, he said, not a reasonable. And I say, in your explanations, to be an answer, say, yes, if something is going on, it is going on because of this and that and that. And now I say, Abang Webedi Ghana Kunye. 1 year, 2 months there. Adia Mahama, Ehiapa, any or no, any Ninuya Ibrahim Mahama, how they can become more rich, wealthy over wealthy. Mahama Bedia Kunya in shorter possible time, and he released $208 million loan from African Bank and the Mania back voter at mining sites. And yet why I see another bank giving so many loan from 200 and something. Yet you have a pair of to pray. Endra Nkwa, Ninkwa, another 2 mining sites. Macdam, the private airport, or the year Juma, and also Ibrahim Mahama is a home, Yaji de Amano. Chese, the economy of this country today is running on the head of John Mahama and his brother, because John Mahama has redirected the economy of the country from industries, farming, any other way of production into mining. And the economy of the country is on mining. A good year to the Kitagan our economy. And take a look at it. Why not a good year more Jumano, Ejlan and Iso, Ibrahim Mahama. I have no problem if a Ghanaian, an indigenous Ghanaian man, becomes rich in the country through our resources. But it should not be said, because of being a president in Nimia able to me as a Sabibia. That is what I don't understand. Ghana economy na anyansa phobinum to say Dr. Bawumia na Danko Kufuado. Na omo building on the Ghana cocoa farm and na menusuntia na ye nyuma aban essay sika wo mura mabo akuafo. Because Nanado believe in the collective economy whereby every single individual is a part of the economy. So Nanado expand the economy size to the farming level and planting for food and job by animal rearing amount for more. Yet one district, one factory by all these things were a way so that they are making an economy expansive, not involve everybody in the system. How be a binyane kakra. And the John Danagadra Mani Mahama Kwabedi Ghana Banya and the economy of the country now runs only on the mining, only Sikafu. It's why when you're miner. And look at something. The actual professor Papa what channel the economy in mining? What channel we what science so as easy every Ghanaian from exporting good from the country? Ain't this amphibia? Ghana mine, export to, you can say tons and tons and tons of gold. It goes through his brother's hand. Because Ghana buying quantity timima no only agency sika 400 million or 400 billion. So the 400 million Ghana city, $400 million. Edema Ghana Cocoa Board say on Jim Fanidra. But the Ghana Okwadino Mani Nyamfaswo. A Ghana Kwan and ye timid to me say, ye kodisika ko hudra, ye Nyamfaswo. Ghana buying Kwan Timima on one casa ni agency Sikawo say on Jim Fanko Yajuma on Yasum Faswo. Ye na Juma ye for a buying a sandy tax the Pia Wonka. All because Mahama wants to position his family at a level whereby nobody in the country can be like them. Mahama wants to position his family at the center of the Ghanaian economy. the about to go to win an area. The Enyama Mahama no. One who have a fast, dear America, better than Yaso and 10. Or this man inside the man. Require more fast or your man alone 10. We be amateur say the priority, the kind of saying of the NDC lead by Mahama, and they say they must to make sure say Mahama family becomes one of the richest on the continent of Africa. Anya for man ayekosa alai. Anya for man na yenim de ye ayekosa nkwasi alai. Say yakoto abadi ama Mahama because we promise you so be ma yadwuma. Obema ye wey 24-hour economy. Adwuma beba 133. Yeni age atopa nkwasi atopa. Ekosi say ye buemu amanfo so ne make ekita amanfo binom pa na ye kampo mu gina kwan mu na omu buato papa to say yes enema wo mo ye dede we nyina ene oman no mfaso obenya afiri mu no say oman panyini no nwia ene di oman no so mfaso ye koye anase ye bae ye koye anase ye bae Why and the Wobiasia, BBC, Asia, Onya Wasamonka. Why pa any tumetrane my a ton and my Ediman Nipa Bakopi. Where the idea and another, just because not the cousin, I think said the no, the secretary to the president, but here too. Gabi Ochedako. He has been rich always. And yet, Nyama and another apprentice no year rich. Gabriel Chedako, I'm going to buy contract to Kurumpa, and so yet to Gabriel Chedako, de facto prime minister. And to me, Bisagana for said, Yeura Ibrahim Mahama, is he the de facto prime minister in the NDC time? But Obia Kare. Because Kofi TV na nibo Ibrahim Mahama edna be kwa broches okwa ko henani eti oye good man atorenche musia Ibrahim Mahama betu amba spend $2,000 now the agility into every bad thing that he will do piano people don't see it that be American same we say Ghana for your problem akase we as a citizens we lack something called common sense in politics. I swear to my God. Monsieur Ghana for your problem be what we call the Ekasa fan ewe ya manyo semuno. Sa problem no ena amakwa ma manyo for no edi na pro. Because me no kasa yo bra tie me o. Ye wo kura hodo oga na man mu a potable water omo nibio omo nibi no omo anu mu omo na mu atamale ko ho a moa mponche ene nantwie ene nipa eno mu nsuo baako. But the people will not complain about that. Mimi Augustine yabo me mo akwaba Enkrofo no omote omanum no siminim se NDC fo aye omo aduro they will not complain about the problem eye omo ankasa omo problem. What they think about and say akufo do akwadwane wo pray mu. That is what they think. Mahama what private jet because of this manner of how we discuss about our leaders, you know, it gives them the way to fool us all the time. That is what is happening. And then this is for the young Jimmy Fitapa, Jimmy Fufu, it was some Ghanaians. Ya dream and Yakumo. Jimmy so the new Wakuma no more. We and Kobiamo, we are Kahok, we are a part of you. And the NDC is actually doing what will make John Mahama and his family becomes the most richest family in the sub-Saharan Africa. Because Samijan Fitiway, Nabusian Nibi, and to say Ibrahim Mahama, every year billions, not or no ya man some millions of Kogufia. He's okay with it. He don't care about you. But these were the people on the street under another administration who were everywhere insulting and attacking the MPP government. Now all in Crawford money or moye no makwakoda. Na omwa ma na omuntimu hwe omo. Na president afọ mo de omo ko school free mo omo aduane di na omo ba bida. Etia light bay ne water bay ma won printing fee PT ne bibia. These guys were out there insulting the president, and Ghanaians fall into that cheap propaganda. And then but the Ababedruno, and then say we are back in 2015 when they were doing so, when a price of a fuel was very high, when teachers and nurses were not paid, when teacher trainees and nursing trainees were not paid, when the utensils at the school were paid by students. That is where we are today. And the economy of the country is not like the one that we were living under another. Whereby obia ne kakra oyo contribute and not contribute to the economy and na manu sunte no da bia na nsakona no. And the economy nankasa no ye free and Crawford no ensem ene de ko Ibrahim Mahama ene ne Crawford ho nsem entunka economy no hu bi ene ntia waburo no ye nto ene ntia obayere no ye nto ene ntia sabi wo mo na odo ye no aka wuram. Because the socialism party confused socialism party like NDC. Omaduna de omutim ne say wo say aban ne oman no enya sika ense na oman no mufuo no enti omobagye sika bia afiri mu nsam na moya hiafo na moya hiafo na mo kire mo a yetumi akomanda mo te say ponche eni nyan ebe say enya wo de genesa message genesa. The Omoria no because bra sometimes we call parliament to kotie the Omoka. And when you listen to the argument from the majority in the house, in some Omoka, you know, said that the majority is the group Omoye in charge of the Omoye in charge of the government business. And to the abide by ye and to be abide by ye. And because will be about the song family, and the majority decide on that. But some Crawford were net Omoko Parliament, a chancellor or multi opposition. A chancellor or multi opposition. And this is still talking about a national cathedral. Why you audit now bomb so. Instead of you to be ashamed of your conduct, say a munti. And a Ghana mine a sika because a jumana ye no mo krono mo dishonesty wo mo to no yentima wi adwuma no amaya bokakwa e causing loss to the state because enka muja ya enka sa sika na mo kese ahye no enka na aye cathedral si ho a amanfo betimi akoto list wo said the mo na America mo se dantenten no enka ne Ghana nso obibi de kire jimifo and Kwasiafo Mawura Parliament. And then the men are no more say MPP for we are Ghana 90 or more band of the Parliament. They are talking about the NDs, the MPP, and Nuntia Pamono. That is what they are discussing. They are not thinking of how they can bring in new initiatives. Ebe tunamo minor afan and tuba perfida. Na saa na decision of mine. Saa na decision of mine. Na anu yenkwati akwa bisi ya mane nkoko. How can you change education from nkukọ nkete? Ekoche nkukọ a obi timi afọ nse omunyini no na aka one uti a na ebeka one. Se uti a na ebeka one. Uti nya so di a untumi nya nkukọ nan na obi a wo han dan. Obi a wo han dan o han dan. O say me de men nkukọ na ebe han dan. Why? Amanga na for ya hu bio. Ya say ya hu. Me see ya ton ye kala TV akwaje braka ho atabesi fi e na dan ye bosom e na ye ntumi nkasa. E na dan ye bosom e na ye ntumi nkasa. Now listen to this. And this better kunya. Na the yura Dr. Bawumia nyansa fukase atumi abone homodere in the last 4 years of their term in office. Atumi to gold nkwa from 8 tons to ana a gold reserve to 31 point something tons of gold. A grasifo we ba yesinya Jimini uchre ne bibia obese ho. Enkrofo we ba ye no. Omwatimi ton gold no 18 tons of the gold. And then on one side there on one near the country Ghana for say they are going to buy almost gold for Ababe Kuban. What sense does it make? Say Uberton are there at a cheaper price and actually was cotton at a higher price. Chrono Ben Ecoso. Chrono Ben and Ecoso. In any case, you have a power near didn't come up at me guest Abba. Into my memfano emla platform no so na yenka de wo. And then we are coming to expose the NDC lies, the propaganda, and the chief politics that they did that. And then I saw one konwa omo entumi ho. Ofa Emmanuel. Hello.
Yes, sir. Bachote menka.
Bachote tonka pa me wakwaba.
Bachote menka.
Metonka pa na oswe.
Me so metonka just say I don't know, I say my line nemonye stable bisa. I'm really struggling to hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, I know better say. Ubetime dina so.
I met me jina so yes aswa. No, what I met jina so let's try it. But I'm almost getting I'm actually driving. I'm in the next 5 minutes. Maybe if I'll move the conversation to my laptop and see say nobody okay na.
Okay, but who person abaminya who do fear now what link up why?
Mate, just give me some few minutes. Maybe if you say here.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, in terms of for yemi ana oba, yemi ana oba why crowd pa Senior Emmanuel. Yana ne baba ye show na na pa ba bia wo bi na ya no pa wo ye real fan sa. Ras Media GH on YouTube. I'm saying for message say oh hear me about more than hear me on TikTok Ras Media GH and also on Facebook Ras Media DH. What you have to do and say follow me to become part of the family Ras Media. YouTube one so subscribe for say adomano so. Say the have about life will be ana ubenya notifications say ma no be join na edi dwumadi no ahihye so tem abusianfo ene ye be boss Sami Jamfito Sami Jamfi akoto TV bia sika odi to TV no etimi to BMW mono pa. Apart from the procurement enrichment no Sami Jamfi akoto TV bia ne bo edene sere BMW car mono na yebedi ho nkobo nye no nko a yebesa ya kasa fa petrol any diesel a ene ne bo high rocketing say oh sister Esther Boame high rocketing yes yemi akwasi ampanyi ni wenso ene ebeka ne ho asem neba pacho mo fa nche me se maye hash kakra wa mislemo a papa we ai munyina mo kai stubborn academy nyankopon mo peso nku wo dika ball dam Ramokai Stubborn Academy. Yabeka na Mwasemene. And then Sam George, the Minister of Communications, said Ghana is going to go into a SIM card re-registration or no friend proper. We will bring video evidence to tell you. Now the question that I have that I want to ask and say, Sam George, and as a Minister of Communication, you have nothing less. Nothing more. No other plan, no other idea. I dream a good to Nyansa be an so good to Naya de Monobi. Am I even a sector rather than to go back and do what your predecessor has done? You see why I told you at the beginning, say, Amamona Yadino, Enya Kasa, Enya Temudidi, Enya Puetra. It is all about knowledge. Papa we ought to wait. Adrena kwasi komesi baby ejina ho na ejina. Tiem ye pa. Akwa we ojina ho. Adrena eda ne tim no. Akwasi eye komesi. On ministerial position na ye de ama not ho no. He don't know what he should do with the ministerial position. Eti na onam TV so e na otreti amanfo. Threaten, we will find you, we will arrest you, we will one. Are you the man in charge of the Ghana security? Just say, from communication minister to the internal minister. Hey, Sam George, I didn't know and kwasi abrofo na waka wana brabo. And as Sam George said, every Ghanaian must to go and re-register his SIM. You better no more say our platform we so. I'm about Bia. I had the dead. Everyone saw the majority leader in Parliament. About one country for Sikana Muji free. The so-called guys are. Na omo pese omo wura police mu a sabio yam form a yaji omo sika di no the mighty minority bisa say to avoid yan kan say discouraging the guys no nka ban no en refund nkrofo na omo ntumi nya admission no omo sika mfa mo Mahama Yariga, Papa don't to be called Tamale BM no. Or she on taste or on Tiasiakura. He is not going to refund any money to anyone. And also, Yabeka Mwasem. If you want so, Naya Basubiama, Patro Bo, Ecosropa. Na Patro Bona Ecosrono, and Yansafua Yawo platform way so. Any Yansani be or Yagana Nibabia, Edim said, and yet John Mahama. Ne fort and ama petrol na diesel ekosoro na mbom no kwanya ofa so kasa ya abra petrol bu okosoro 1 pp apan bresunti no yes ye prefer say sabre we no akwankyere ni nyansa omo ka kyere pp apan say onyo emma price no bo no mra form no ene Yeba Bisa, John Mahama, and the Minister of Energy, Sabre no, on all criticizing another panel, and then you have a body video, no, near Bisa say, the Okaya, on fire Juma, we don't need anything, because a Nama no Kase, Patro no Bono Cosro. This is because Brana Mahama te abontene ana Ukraine and Russia for Tokana Asiano. Mahama Rayanim country say, Ukraine and Russia are about 7,000 kilometers far. It is a more cool why Ghana doesn't have to suffer because of the war in Ukraine and Russia. But then Mahama said the echo Iran and Israel for them no. Obviously, it will affect Ghana, the economy. In fact, and the petrol and diesel prices are skyrocketing. Ernest afari medase pa skyrocketing. Mosiambro fo ba ko nle. Skyrocketing. And so be di hon ko ne bisa Mahama say ade how come omena no me yi ano. Mimi ayawo. Amu kufuo mo akwa papa. And same way and eba be di hon ko ba one. Mo anya ni say yentie ye wura Bawumia ni video way again. Na ye hwe say yemi ano abedura na ye de na to. Yentie.
What Dr. Bawumia said while he was in the Upper West region.
Look at what is happening in Ghana today, and you will have no conclusion. No conclusion. This the most incompetent, uncaring, and corrupt government this country has ever seen. Why do I say so? Last night, I received the news, as all of you have received, that upon all the troubles we are going through and trying to survive this phenomenon that they have inflicted upon us for the last 3 years, they have decided to increase the price of food by 9%. How uncaring can you be? This is the government that said, I care for you. Where is the care? Don't you have any empathy for the suffering of our people? You have to increase in this period where people are trying to buy diesel, to run generators, businesses and individuals. This is your thank you to them, to increase further the price of petrol and diesel and other fuels. And this is why we are saying this is the most uncaring government. If you are a teacher today, if you've been employed even for 2 years, after working for 2 years, they will pay you 3 months' salary. Isn't that the case? Is that caring? If you are a teacher trainee today, they've cancelled your allowance. Isn't that the case? And if they bring money for SADC, for the development of the North, they steal it. The NHIS is collapsing. Cash and carry is back. People are rejecting the NHIS cards. Today, pensioners cannot survive on the pensions. And therefore, my brothers and sisters, this is why we say we owe it a duty to the people of Ghana, to the people of the Upper West region. We owe it a duty to all get up and work hard between now and the election in 2016 to change this government. It is time for change.
Yes, and yes, some you would about me, I can't ye, but who could anywhere and you're reasonable. Dear America, and there are no say. And they are meneu egusua ye kasei. And they are meneu egusua ye kasei. National Health Insurance. Enya juma bill.